In this video, we will learn how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 10. So let's begin. So if you have recently installed Windows 10, the default browser would be Microsoft Edge, and that is a little bit slow and cringy. So if you want to shift to Google Chrome as a default browser on Windows 10, the process is really simple. First, you need to go to your start. So once you are here, just go and click on this settings gear. Click on this. So this would open the settings. Now you need to search for apps. In case there is a different layout, you can always search for apps in a find a setting option. Otherwise, you would be able to see this app button. So just go and click on this. So once you have clicked on this, here it all appears. Now click on default apps. So once you are here, you can see different apps. Just scroll down below, and here click on web browser. So the default is the Microsoft Edge. So click on this, and here click on your Google Chrome. So in some of the cases, it might say that you should not switch to Google Chrome because Microsoft Edge saves battery, whatever. So just go and click on any switch anyway. So it has switched to Google Chrome, and now our default browser is Google Chrome. Whenever I open anything, any web link, the Google Chrome browser would be opened. So hope it has helped you in changing your or making your Google Chrome browser as your default browser on Windows 10. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.